guys, so this is my first CS50's web programming with JavaScript and Python project. In this project, I have to implement the Google's search page, and here we have to meet the requirements. So let's start with the project. So here the first requirement is to have at least 3 web pages uh, in your search directory. So I have 4 web pages, and one is for the index.html, which is for the normal Google search, and an image.html file for the image search, and an advanced.html file for the advanced Google search. So here in my image search, I have 2 links in the upper right corner, which will direct me to the advanced search page, and which will direct me to the image search page. And on my image search page, I have a link for redirecting me to the normal Google search page, the search page, and an advanced search. Okay, so and the second requirement is type in a query, and you should be taken to the Google's search result page for the given query. So when I type in Howard, voila, I am taken to the normal Google search page. And as you notice, the bars are centered, the input text field is centered with round corners, and beneath it I have a search bar, the Google search bar. When you click it, you're taken to the result. Now, starting with my third specification, image search, type query. So when you type in a query on your image search page, like somewhat a picture of a fox. So when the button is clicked, I'm taken to the search result page for images. So it directly takes me to the image search, consistent with the Google images. As you can notice, when I type in with no queries, I'm taken to the real Google image pages. So you can see it's quite consistent with the behavior. It looks quite similar. And now the fourth requirement is in my advanced search page, I have to on my advanced search page, I have provided 4 fields. Find pages with all these words, this exact word or phrase, any of these words, none of these words, and they are stacked in vertically, left aligned, and the button is in blue color with white text. So when I type in cat, when I type in cats, and then when I type in cat, any of these words, cat or dog, none of these words, I don't want a horse. Okay, so you can see I'm taken to the result page. Now the sixth specification is I have to provide an I am feeling lucky button on my index.html page, the normal Google search page. When I click in directly, you don't have access to the service. Okay, when I type in a query, I'm taken to the first result page provided by the Google search, and it gives me a redirect notice, as you notice. So it has taken me to the first result page according to the country given. Okay, so now and it bypasses the normal results page. So the seventh is the CSS written resembles the Google's aesthetics. I hope my project